No, we do not just like really expensive puzzles. There is a method to our madness. There's a reason that we disassemble all these cars for paint protection film installs. Today we're gonna get into that. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see with this Tesla Model X, it is completely stripped. The front has been removed, all the trim, cameras, everything. That's the way we can do our custom install. Our custom versus a kit install, you definitely want to check out the video explaining that if you haven't already. The main difference is gonna be the extent that we go for this install. What we like to do most is our custom, and that's why all three of these cars have been broken down. The main reason that we do a disassembly is so that we can get into the gaps of the panels and actually wrap and cap all of the edges and corners. When we do a disassembly, it's also to make sure that we have the ability to get rid of any sort of trapped dirt and debris. There is a lot of dirt that gets trapped underneath trim and behind cameras, that sort of thing. And when we're doing the PPF install, that dirt can get trapped underneath the film itself, causing a little dirt nib. Obviously, that's not what we're looking for, so we make sure that everything is as clean as possible. The extent that we go for the disassembly is very evident in this Lexus RX 500H. This entire thing has been protected with paint protection film. It is getting cleaned up and ready to go today. But one of the things I want to highlight on this is actually the grille. The front grille gives obviously a pretty distinct pattern. And so when we did the paint protection film, we removed the grille. That way we could hide all of the film underneath these edges. With our custom install, obviously we're trying to get it as seamless as possible. That means going the extra step of doing that removal. When we did this, we actually had the film accidentally cut a little bit too short because we anticipated the grille covering it more. What we did to remedy that is essentially restart. We ripped off the entire front bumper. That way that we could redo it and get it to where the grille hides all of those lines. So you don't have that jagged edge. That's just one of the things that we do here. We go the extra step to make sure that it's as seamless as possible, even going so far as to rip off an entire piece of film in order to redo it to meet our standard. If we're not happy with it, you're not gonna be happy with it. So make sure you're getting what you're looking for your paint protection film install, and you get the guys that you can trust the most. Have a good one. Thanks, guys.